Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
Chemex Classic. You can't get much more back to basics than the pour-over Chemex Classic. Simply boil up some water, add it to your grounds, wait for it to filter through, then serve from the elegant carafe. You can save any leftovers in the fridge for reheating later. Polished wood collar. Available with or without a handle. Glass is quite fragile. The stainless steel Secura French press is offered in 3 sizes, and all the parts are dishwasher safe, meaning it won't be a pain to clean. The double-walled construction keeps your beverage warm while the handle remains cool to the touch. Weighs less than 4 pounds. Can be used to froth milk. Includes an extra screen. Technivore Moccamaster. Some may accuse you of being a coffee snob when they see the Technivore Moccamaster in your kitchen. But you'll be enjoying delicious, quality Java every day, so who cares what anyone thinks. This high-performance model comes with a 5-year limited warranty. Wide variety of colors available. Hot plate has 2 heat settings. Does not leave. The Ninja Auto IQ comes from a trusted brand with many quality offerings, but this model stands out for its ability to produce cold brew and specialty drinks as well as hot or iced teas. The individual baskets keep flavors separate so your cup of joe won't taste of oolong. Fold-away milk frother. Removable reservoir. 6 batch sizes. Mueller Austria Ultra. If you can't stand the idea of drinking coffee that isn't piping hot, you'll appreciate the Mueller Austria Ultra, which has a shatter-resistant stainless steel thermal carafe designed to keep the brew warm even after the machine has shut off automatically. Illuminated LCD screen, comes with permanent filter, convenient water gauge.